If you're investing in HBar, XLM, Jasmy, Quant, and you don't do this right now, guys, you are absolutely screwed in crypto markets going forward. You will lose massive amounts of money. And I'm not just trying to scare you. I'm going to show you exactly how you can avoid these pitfalls and overcome all of these problems. And if you stay around to the end of the video, I'm going to give you the holy grail that's going to make everything super easy. So do me a favor, hit that like button. Let's get into today's video. You're wondering right now, what is he on about? Why am I going to lose money in HBar, Quant, Jasmy? These are great projects. And you're right, I'm invested in these projects. So don't just read the thumbnail and then write an angry comment and leave. Pay attention to what I'm about to say. If you are not researching these projects that you're investing in, you stand to get absolutely screwed. So let's look at this HBar chart. Because of the way markets move, I know that many people would have been buying up here, guys. Because I know that we get FOMO, HBar's going to the moon, we all jump in, and then this happens. So what do? How do we protect ourselves from acting irrationally in this kind of a market? Well, when the market's sliding down like this, one thing that stops me selling HBar and panic selling HBar is the fact that I know what HBar is about. I've done my research into HBar. I understand exactly where HBar is going in the future, and I know it's going to be worth a lot more. Yeah, I'm a bit pissed that I bought here, and yeah, I should probably be buying down here in this buy zone. I understand your feelings on this, guys, but really, this is my chance now to be buying more HBar, and then I bring down my price. Obviously, I'm not telling you to buy HBar. You need to do your own research. And I'm going to make it very easy for you to do your own research right now. So we're going to dive over to Quant to demonstrate to you the very first tool that's going to make your life super easy. And if you're lazy, guys, and you don't know how, or you can't be bothered to use these tools, then you're probably almost too lazy for crypto, okay? I'm going to show you a tool later that's suitable for the super lazy investor, but still, you need to take a little bit of ownership, okay? This is Quant. If you've ever been across to the Quant website, you'll understand it's a pretty technical sounding website. There's lots of information on here. It can be a bit confusing. We can go through, there's loads of writing. I don't have time to read this. I don't care. I don't want to take all of this information in because I don't understand what 90% of it means. Well, I've got a treat for you because I'm that kind of guy. I'm going to install this extension called GLARITY.app. Absolutely free, not sponsoring me, guys. You find it in the description. GLARITY.app is going to allow me to summarize pages with the use of AI. Here we are back on Quant, and I've got the little extension up here. I'm going to click that little extension, and it's going to give me this drop down, and I'm just going to click Summary, and then it's going to give me a breakdown of the page in the time that it takes me to stop talking. Here you go, guys. Look at this. It's basically like linking in ChatGPT to these pages. So now what it's going to do is going to give me the content, a bit of a breakdown of what this is about, okay? It's broken down what Quant is, and it's give me a super basic kind of understanding about this particular page of information. Now, I get it. We're busy. We don't have time to read these things. So this is a very powerful way in which you can summarize what's going on with Quant. So once you've been to the website, you're like, well, okay, I've got my summary now. I get a bit more of an understanding. So maybe I'll go and watch a YouTube video on it. And there's few better places for YouTube to understand what a coin or something is about than Coin Bureau. Makes very good videos. But I'm pretty impatient. I don't know about you. These videos do last a little bit of time. This one here is 21 minutes, 26 seconds. So I've got another treat for you. Of course, you just hit that Clarity again, guys, and you're going to click Summary. It's going to go through the transcript of the video, and it's going to take all of the information that good old guy here from Coin Bureau has to say, and it's going to give me a nice summary. Now, obviously, this is a 21-minute video, guys. I'm not saying that this is going to give you all you need to know about Quant, okay? But it's going to give me a nice summary. And here it gives me key features, right? Maximum supply, 14.5 million tokens. That's very key for Quant. And I'm going to talk about tokenomics and how important it is in a video later on. So make sure you're subscribed if you want to get tools and things that no one is talking about in cryptocurrency that are going to help you find the absolute gems going forward. And you can do it yourself. Really easy, guys. Become the owner of your own vehicle, right? Learn how to do these things and you are going to survive and reap the rewards in crypto for sure. Now, guys, if you're in my Inner Circle Discord, which is linked down below, you'll understand how important it is to look at what's going on over on Twitter. I've even got a section here where I'm capturing all of those Twitter feeds that are getting fed all the time automatically into my Discord. I've also got a section for technical analysis where people are leaving their charts and things like that. And of course, we've got a chat where people are sharing each other's favorite projects. This group is growing super fast. You can get a 5-day free trial, and then it's just $9.99 per month after that. You get everything. I'm going to be throwing in course content on how to find crypto gems, on how to do day trading, on how to do everything that's all related to crypto. There's some full-time crypto experts operating in here all the time, so any questions you've got in crypto, this is going to be able to help you out. That you can find linked down below. Do not miss out on that $9.99 price right now. So what I got, guys, coming over to Twitter is some of my favorite Twitter threaders. Alex Wasey is an absolute boss when it comes to Twitter writing, but it can be a little bit confusing because a lot of the stuff he talks about is technical. So what I've got is another little extension that's going to help us out in Twitter, and it's called Tweet Hunter, or Tweemex from Tweet Hunter. And again, absolutely free, not a sponsorship. And all of this is, again, is an extension, guys. Just come across the website. You can install it on Chrome. Now let's go back to Twitter and let's power up the Tweemex Tweet Hunter. Okay, so what I can see is it's now summarizing Alex Wasey's crypto page, making it all very easy for me to scroll through and seeing what he's talking about. I can search through recents, I can search from all time. What I'm going to then do is come down to one of his things. Okay, so he's talking here about airdrops, ZK EVMs, and this is a thread on ZK EVMs or zero knowledge EVMs, which might be quite a technical thing and a bit scary. Although it's definitely something you should really learn about because it's going to be trending into the summer, guys, and very exciting things going on. So what we got at the top, we can go through the tweets, the quoted tweets. We can go through the highlights. It's taking all of the highlights from his pages. We can then go through other parts here. And if you see on the right-hand side, I've also got the tab there for Clarity, and it will be able to summarize some of the tweet pages that we've got going on here. So using these two tools together, it's going to give me a summary consensus on developing ZK EVMs. It's going to tell me what they are. It's going to be able to take all this information and it's going to produce all of this in condensed format. So even if you're super lazy like me, you're going to be able to do all of this very, very easily. Now, guys, if you've stuck around this far into the video, you're nearly done. Congratulations on your patience so far. This is going to be the final tick in the box, right? We know now how to analyze big information on YouTube, how to take summaries from YouTube, how to take summaries from Twitter on our favorite coins and things we need to understand. Final one we're going to look at is how to take the information out of the crypto news. Cointelegraph.com. Here we are again, we're going to use another AI tool, and it's called Copilot. And what you can see is by clicking on the Copilot app here, we can see a few different bits and pieces that we want to understand. So I'm just going to click on Summarize. So what I'm going to do is come over to this article here, okay, about Web3 gaming, GTA 6. I'm going to click on the Copilot app up here, and then I'm going to say Key Takeaways. And here you can see it, guys. It's just taken maybe 10 seconds to load up here, and it's telling me all of the key takeaways from this page down here, right? So that is amazing. It's talking about all of these new games, Star Atlas, Phoenix Games, Nike's NFTs, all the key takeaways. Now, obviously, you're not going to get the full information that you would get from reading this article. But who has time to read full articles, eh? We're just degens, right? We're lazy. And if you're lazy like me, guys, this is a great way to cut some corners. Now, obviously, I'm not saying that this is going to be your be-all and end-all before you pull the trigger on investing. And there's a few other things that you definitely should be checking before you're investing on projects. And as I've mentioned already, in the next video that I'm going to do later on, I'm going to show you how to understand exactly things like tokenomics and how to know when it's safe to pull the trigger on any crypto investment. Just do me a favor, if you enjoyed today's video and found it useful, hit that like button for me. If you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about how to make money in cryptocurrency, then subscribe, guys. No brainer. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.